Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to do a 360 closure wig. What I'll be needing for this wig is a needle and thread, a clip, a hairband, 360 closure, and of course the bundle, and never forget the dome cap. I'll be placing the dome cap on the mannequin head and also the 360 closure. What I'll do next, I get the needle and thread and sew the 360 closure on top of the dome cap. This is how it looks now. I sew it all round and neatly on top of the dome cap. Now I'll be needing one bundle of the hair to sew first. I'm holding the closure with the clip so it won't disturb me while I'm sewing the bundle on the wig, on the cap. So I get a pin to hold the bundle while I turn it around to continue, because I don't want to cut the edge to prevent shedding of the hair. I flip the hair all over to the other side to continue sewing the hair. Now as you can see, I'm getting to the top. What I'll do, I'll cut the hair as I go back and forth on sewing the hair, because I don't want any bumps while after doing the hair. That is why I cut the extension. Now I am blow drying the hair. I don't want it oily, so I want to make it straight, so I have to blow dry it first. After getting the hair all straightened out, I get my tweezer to tweeze the front of the closure to form a baby hair, of course, which makes it look natural. The tweezing takes a lot of time. It takes me roughly about 30 to 40 minutes to finish, because it takes a lot of time. You have to pull, and I have to fast forward the video, obviously. So now, finishing the tweezing, I have to cut the dome cap out of here. Of course, it's obviously going to show if you don't cut it off. So that is it. I get the band and sew it in between, or at the two sides of the closure wig. Now it's time to straighten the hair. I want it all straightened out. I don't want the curls, so I get my straightener to straighten the hair all out. Hair straightened now. This is the finishing look of this hair. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys love this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.